Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can remove your shortcut icon from Facebook. So as you guys can see at the bottom, I have video, groups, game. Let's say I want to remove some of these options like groups and gaming. I want to remove those two options. Let me show you how you guys can do it. You want to click on menu at the bottom right of your screen. From inside menu, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right corner of your screen. And from inside setting at the top, you can see the search icon. Click on the search icon and search for shortcuts. Once you search for shortcuts, the first option where it says customize, click on customize. Now from inside customize, you can choose what you want to add or what you want to remove. So in order to remove the shortcut bar, what I need to do is at the top it's showing me pinned. Click on pinned, click on hide. And for gaming as well, click on pinned, click on hide. Now you need to do this for every single one. Make sure all of this option from over here is hidden, alright? So I'm going to do that real quick. As you guys can see, I have hidden every single shortcut and nothing is being shown at the bottom. Only menu, notification and home shortcut is being shown. And you cannot remove these three. These three options are permanently set over here. But yeah, that is basically how you guys can remove your shortcut icon from Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.